Hello guys, hi, welcome to this new video. I am uptaking the challenge to declutter my home of 100 objects that I don't really need anymore. So yeah, I know it's a trending video. A lot of YouTubers have been doing this like lately, but my home actually needs this kind of refreshment. So I'm not going to keep you any further. Bear with me, and I hope you get inspired by this video to actually declutter your home on your own. So first of all, these are like two bags of baby clothes for a very tiny baby that I'm going to gift. So I'm counting them as two objects only because in themselves they contain a lot. Then I have this lovely box with a lot of papers and magazines that I don't need, a lovely hat, some old sunscreen. I won't be using it anymore. This pair of shoes, some more pairs of shoes. I actually have been off the high heels for a while. And yeah, I would definitely donate all these shoes that are here because I'm literally not going to wear them anymore. And I haven't worn them for like more than a year. uh, they're just taking up space in my home, and I want to free this space for um, more freedom and more new things to come. And here are some of my husband's shoes too that he hasn't been wearing lately. There's this baby uh, thing that we actually never used. Some more cosmetics here that I haven't been using for a while and its deadline is approaching. And then some clothes which I won't unfold, I will just count them. So, yep, bear with me. And this is all my clothes, shirts, there's swimsuit, t-shirts, a belt, there's a belt, a jumper, another hat. Yeah, that one is very old too. So yeah, some socks and some underwear too. Actually, I always donate clean and ironed underwear to the Red Cross because the Red Cross helps in cases of emergency. So when there are like very catastrophes like earthquakes and fires and evacuations of the population, they lose like everything. So they can get a good jacket or a good dress or a good suit, but what they need in the moment when they actually leave their homes and can't return to their homes are everyday stuff like socks and laundry. And that is why I always wash them, boil them on 90 degrees, iron them, and then give them away. So there are a few more objects, including toys, that I'm going to throw away. Some of these are literally broken, so I won't be donating everything. A perfume, this kind of office utilities, some hangers that are broken or damaged or just don't fit my clothes anymore. Yeah, there's a broken one. So, yeah, this is the number one balloon, a selfie stick that is broken, some lids and some toys, and the massage helper, my old iPad that is also not working anymore, uh, some awkward book. Yep. What else? What else? Okay, yeah, this is a shaving machine that doesn't work anymore. And this is a little stool that accidentally got broken in half. Some parts of things. And there are some baby sandals too. Yeah, I will gift them with the baby clothes and a vase, some glasses that actually don't have a match. So usually when you buy glass like this, it comes in 3 pieces, 4 pieces, 6 pieces, and then when everything else breaks, these are like the things that remain. So this is how the mess actually looks like. This is the 100 objects that have been cluttering my home lately, and that I'm going to take the advantage of just donating and throwing them, depends on whether they are usable or not. So yeah, giving them away. This is a huge space here that now I'm going to use in a better purpose. So all of my wardrobes and shoe wardrobes and other things have been emptied by this. So I hope I'm going to enjoy all of the freedom that this decluttering activity gave me. And I wish all of you to take the courage and the time to do a project like this in your own homes. Bye bye.